Today, we'll be taking a look at the dispenser inlet hose on this LG front-load washing machine. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. To begin, must first remove this top here. Of course, it is held on by 2 Phillips screws on the back. Next, be very careful. Let's slide this sharp metal off, lift it up, and set it to the side. Now that we have the top removed, we have clear access to our dispenser inlet hoses here. Now, the main reason why you'd be replacing one of these hoses is if it is leaking. A lot of times what I'll do is I'll put it through a test cycle, run all the valves with the top off, and sometimes I'll see where it's leaking out of one of the bottoms. If it is, of course, it's going to need to be replaced. Now, the one that we're going to look at is going to be this one here. The first thing to get this shindig started is to remove this little bread tie here. Next, we have to move the clamps off of the hose that we are removing. Just use a pair of needle nose pliers, pinch it and pull it back. Sometimes they can be rather difficult to remove. If you need to wear a glove, do so, but what you'll want to do is just kind of twist it, pull it, and just start to work it off. Let's do the same on the other side. There we go. We want to pull the clamps off to put on the new one and set the hose to the side. When installing the new hose, we've went ahead and put the old clamps on the new hose. And then we're going to slide one end in first. We'll do the valve portion first. Come on over to the other side and slide that one on. Reinstall our clamps. Make sure they go all the way to the end. Let's slap on the good old bread tie here. Give it a couple of twisty twists. Now we can reinstall the top. When reinstalling your top panel, be very careful. We don't want to slice and dice. Just go ahead and sit it down. You'll want about 1 inch away from the front. That's where it actually drops down. And then you can slide it forward and it should match up with the front. Let's reinstall the 2 screws on the back. And this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.